How to fix family information is not available on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you are facing this type of issue on your iPhone and iPad, then keep watching this video till the end, because in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can fix this problem on your iOS device. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this issue, first open the settings application, then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the page. Now swipe down and here you have to sign up to your Apple ID once and sign in again. So enter your Apple ID password here. After entering the password, now tap on turn off at the top right corner of the page. Now tap sign out to sign out your Apple ID. So guys, after removing the Apple ID, now go back to the home screen and restart your device. For that, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for 10 seconds. Now drag the slide to power off. After doing this, your iPhone will shut down. Now wait for 30 seconds, then press and hold the power button to turn on your iPhone. After turning on the iPhone, enter your iPhone passcode to unlock it. Then go back to the settings menu, tap on Apple account, swipe down and tap on sign in manually. Here you have to sign in your Apple ID again. So first type your Apple ID address. Then type your Apple ID password. Now you need to enter your Apple ID verification code here. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.